watch the backyard view and then the day of this view. Press the red button, subscribe to it, button, subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be doing a mirror cube unboxing. I bought everything from Amazon. This didn't come in the set, but this is just my original mirror cube that I bought on Amazon previously. It comes in a 2-pack. It comes with 1 silver, 1 gold, but my baby took the gold one and lost it, so this is what I have so far in my mirror cube collection. I literally just got these in the mail right now, and I wanted to unbox them together with you guys. I decided to get back into cubing because, you know, we're stuck at home, we're quarantined, we need to keep our brains and our minds sharp and active. So I recently had a concussion and I'm still recovering from it. So if you've seen in my videos where I misspeak or I'm a little slow, that's probably why. And I'm like, oh no, I totally forgot how to solve one of these. So I'm going to be making myself a tutorial on how to solve it in case I forget again. But I will be posting that soon, if not already. But yeah, make sure to stay tuned for a tutorial on how to solve this mirror cube. Anyways, let me show you what I got. First, I have a 2x2 mirror cube. So I think most of these I don't know how to solve, except I only know how to solve the regular 3x3, the mirror cube, the skew cube, the 2x2, and I think that's it. So yeah, this is the 2x2. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to relax. This is the 2x2 mirror cube. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it comes in like a really nice plastic packaging. Let's see if I can do this gracefully, which I probably can't, which is why I normally don't, oh my goodness, do unboxings, because I'm like the most clumsiest person in the world. But yeah, there we go. Let me just put that aside. Over there somewhere. Ooh, let's take a look. This is supposed to be better than a speed cube, and you know what? It is really smooth. I don't want to mix this up yet because I don't remember how to solve anything. So after my concussion, I literally lost a chunk of my memory where I don't remember how to solve any puzzle cubes. I don't know how to solve the regular 3x3. I literally just taught myself yesterday how to solve the mirror cube again. And I don't remember how to solve the 2x2. So, oh, I also used to know how to solve the Pyraminx, and I was working on the Megaminx, but I never actually got that one done. So yeah, this is really smooth. Look at those, look at that, those turns. Let's see how it does on this way. Not bad. Okay, let's compare it to this one. Actually, this one is kind of smoother. This one kind of feels like a cheaper plastic. This one has a more weightier, better quality feel to it. But I mean, all 4 of these mirror cubes were, I believe, like $17, so less than 20, which isn't too bad, especially for the variety. Anyways, so there's the 2x2. Next we have, what is this? Oh, okay. Apparently I don't know how to open boxes. Look at that. Anyways, this is the Windmill mirror cube. So it kind of looks like a mirror cube, right? But there's 3 layers, except on the very top is this crazy pattern, which I don't even know how to solve this. I've never had one of these before, so I don't want to mix it up just yet. But again, it is pretty smooth. This looks like a shapeshifter as well. Kind of feels a bit like a skew at the same time. Whoa, whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Should I mix these all up? I'll probably never be able to solve it though. We'll see. I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna try to do, to solve all 4 of these and challenge myself. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. Kind of a little stiff. It probably needs some kind of lubrication, slightly, but it's decent. Oh, okay. Looks like I just mixed it up. Was it that way? It's kind of slippery like a cube. Interesting. Never had one of these before. Very interesting. Okay. Next, we have a floppy cube. A floppy ghost mirror cube. Let's see. Throw that over there. Wow. Oh, this one is interesting as well. It has like 5 pivot points. What? I don't even, this looks super hard. I think this one will probably be the hardest, or maybe this one. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, looks like kind of like a cut off star. Interesting. Okay, I mean, I guess I could mix them all. I'll mix them all up at the end, and then hopefully I'll make a video on how to solve each one. I know it's super random that I'm into cubes, but yeah. So, quick backstory. When I was like 4 years old, I believe, I think, or 4 to 6, if my memory is correct. You know how some people can't remember like before the age of 3? I have most of my memories, yeah, probably around like 12 months and up, so around the age of 1. And I remember my mom gave me a regular like little mini Rubik's cube, and I solved it by myself, not knowing any algorithms and stuff like that. And it took me like 2 weeks, and I solved it, which is like super weird. I was like a genius back in the day until I got older and got many concussions. So yeah, that slowed down my brain. Anyways, let me unbox this. I think this is just the regular 3x3. Don't touch my cubes, baby, not yet. That's my son, by the way, guys. This looks like a 3x3, right? But it's significantly smaller. Just a, oh no, oh, it's the same size. I thought it was smaller. Nope, tripping. It's the same size. Okay, so I have another mirror cube here. I must say the mirror cube is my favorite puzzle cube to solve at the moment, or it's always been. I don't know why. It's just so much more fun because it like contorts and what's the word I'm thinking of? I can't think of it. Yeah, basically like turns into like a super weird shape that makes it look a lot harder than it actually is. I'll mix this one up. Let's see. Oh, this one is pretty smooth for a mirror cube. Usually it's kind of hard to turn these. Oh yeah, this one's really smooth. Okay, so these are speed cubes. Actually, this one feels a little greasy. They must have over-lubed this one because it's definitely, it has like a greasy feel, kind of like I can feel the lubricant on the outside. So I'll probably have to wipe this one down. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool how it like totally just distorts? And sorry, there's like crumbs on my table because the baby was eating here earlier. But yeah, and he is making so much noise right now. Honey, don't sit in that chair, it's so squeaky. Go to your play area and play. Go on. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? But this definitely feels very greasy. So yeah, I think the mirror cube is the most fun to solve. What was I saying? Oh, back to my story. See, that concussion, man. It's just making me lose my memory. So I'm like, I really need to just sharpen my brain and get it working somewhat normal again. Anyways, there is the mirror cube mixed up. I'm going to mix up the scale cube. I didn't know. Stop that. Anyways. So I'm just mixing this up and... Okay, back to my story. After I solved the Rubik's Cube once, I was never able to do it again. So I don't know if it was I just got lucky or what, but yeah, I was never able to do it again until I watched like a YouTube video way later. Oh, this one also feels greasy. I feel like they really over-lubed there. Oh! What the heck? I won't know where that goes. I don't know which way it's supposed to be. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Well, okay. That was unexpected. Great, 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 great. Okay, so this piece goes here. I don't know which way it goes. I don't know how to get it back. Okay guys, sorry, my camera cut off as well. So yeah, I don't know where this piece goes, but did I finish my story? Anyways, I think I did, but I'm not sure. I'll just repeat myself just in case. Yeah, I didn't start getting back into cubing again until I was like in my 20s, and I was just using algorithms, and it's fun. It's a good brain exercise. Definitely recommend you guys do that. You can try getting into cubing. It's not that hard. The 3x3 Rubik's standard cube is probably like the easiest one, even though it's the most common, but it's probably the easiest. And I definitely recommend, yeah, getting into it. I know it may seem kind of like nerdy and stuff, but you know what? Having a big brain and being smart is actually cool, okay? So, yeah. Yep. Anyways, I know it's so unexpected. I have the most random hobbies and interests, but yeah, I like to expand my interests and things like that. I can't even talk because my brain is not working properly, but yeah. Anyways, these are the 4 mirror cubes that come in the set. I'll put the link down in the description below. If you're interested in giving these a try, maybe just be careful mixing up the floppy ghost cube, because apparently the pieces can and will pop off. I mean, it's not broken, it's just detached, but I don't know how to put it back in for some reason. I'm pretty sure I did not break it though, but yeah. Anyways, my goal, like I said, is to try to solve each and every one of these, so stay tuned for future videos when that actually ever happens. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I know this is a hot mess of a video, very random, but yeah, just want to unbox this with you guys and share another aspect of my life and interests and hobbies. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, ring the notification bell, leave a comment down below of which cube is the hardest to solve, or which one you think would be the hardest to solve, or which one you would like a tutorial on how to solve. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Just a side note, I was able to get the piece back on quite easily once I used like a brighter light so I could see better. It just snapped right back on. So yeah, hopefully, I don't think it seems to be in the right position, because that's the only way it can go on. So I don't think I ruined my puzzle. So yay, that's good. Okay, that is all. Okay guys, so I actually solved this one. It actually wasn't hard at all. Just fiddling around with it, you can kind of figure it out. But the pieces on mine did get kind of stuck, like I couldn't move some of them at first, but after a while you get the hang of it, and it's pretty easy to solve. I don't know how I did it, but I solved it. So yay!